All right, before you insert the cannula for the patient in room 12, just be aware. She's got a history of poor venous access. Last week, 3 attempts failed before they switched to ultrasound guidance.
Oh, that's good to know, Mihira. Should I try the forearm first?
All right, before you insert the cannula for the patient in room 12, just be aware. She's got a history of poor venous access. Last week, 3 attempts failed before they switched to ultrasound guidance.
Right, I remember now. What about her right hand?
That's where it gets tricky. She's got an old cannula site there, recently removed, and mild phlebitis noted. So, best avoid that area too.
So, Mihira, we're left with the antecubital fossa on the right?
Ideally, yes. But try a warm compress first to dilate the vein. And if it still doesn't look promising, ask the registrar about a guided attempt. We don't want multiple failed insertions again. It stressed her out last time.
Understood. Thanks for the heads up. Mihira, I'm so sorry to hear about your hand. It's completely understandable to feel a bit concerned after a kitchen mishap, and I want to help you care for it properly so you can heal comfortably and feel more confident cooking again. Right now, the most important thing is to be gentle with yourself and your hand. Please make sure to keep the area clean by washing it gently with mild soap and lukewarm water, patting it dry thoroughly with a soft towel, and then applying any recommended ointment or bandage. If there is any bruising, it's a good idea to try and avoid putting direct pressure on that spot to give the delicate blood vessels underneath a chance to heal, which might mean adjusting how you open jars or carry things for a few days. Looking ahead, let's think about how to make your kitchen a safer space to prevent future bumps and nicks. Mihira, a wonderful tip is to consider using tools with padded, non-slip grips, which can make a world of difference when you're chopping or handling heavy pots, as they reduce the strain on your hands and improve your control. It also helps to cultivate a mindful pace, especially when dealing with sharp objects like knives or heavy items like cast iron pans. Taking that extra moment to focus and ensure you have a secure grip can prevent most accidents. Simple steps like using a cutting board with a damp cloth underneath to stop it from slipping, or wearing a cut-resistant glove when you're slicing something tricky, can offer an extra layer of protection and peace of mind. Your hands are wonderful tools, and taking these small, caring steps will help keep them safe while you do the cooking you love.